everyone. Today we wanted to present our web app, PollenParty. PollenParty was created to help mitigate the pollinator crisis as the bee population is dangerously declining. A pollinator garden consists of three main things. 1, pollinator-friendly flowers, 2, a water source, and 3, a shelter source. With our first feature, as you can see on the screen, we created a feature that helps users find pollinator-friendly plants for their specific region. Hi everyone, this is our web app called PollenParty. Once you open up the web app, the user will have the option to enter a United States zip code in the search bar. This would direct the user to whatever region that the provided zip code is a part of. So for instance, if you choose to enter the zip code 98074, which happens to be my zip code, it will show you a region in the Maritime Northwest, and it will also list pollinator-friendly flowers from those regions. Here you can see that each flower name is accompanied by a quick little description that will help the user know how to plant these specific type of flowers. For our app, we wanted to use colors that really resonated with the whole garden and bees theme. So as you can see, the header is yellow, and our logo in the top left corner is a simple green banner with the name. You will see a little bit more of our logo later on when we highlight the Design a Garden feature.
Okay, so if the user wants to share their website with other friends or people that they know, there's an option for that too. On the upper left corner of the screen next to our logo, there's a share icon that you can click, and it'll take you to a page that displays something that says tweet it, and that will redirect you to Twitter, where you'll have the option to log in and share this page amongst your friends, acquaintances, whoever's.
The final feature of PollenParty is our Design a Garden page. The Design a Garden page is a simulation made using game engines, and it allows you to plan a pollinator garden. So pollinator gardens include a few different elements, and here you can select an element to learn more about it and to place it. So for instance, when you're looking at the soil you want to use for your garden, you want to make sure that it matches your plants, and you want to consider whether it'll be drier or wetter, moisture, clay-like soil. Another element is including a small muddy spot or water source, which can help pollinators grow and have access to water. Pollinators also need habitats. So something like decaying wood or an old log can be a great place for pollinators to grow and nest. There's also several types of plants you might want to include in a pollinator garden. These can include smaller plants and plants that can serve as baby foods. So plants that are hosts to larvae for pollinators such as butterfly and moths. Finally, make sure to include lots of plants with pollen and nectar and a variety of growing seasons. You can plant them together in groups to make it easier and more accessible for pollinators.